Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to integrate Webflow with TikTok Pixel. TikTok integration adds social proof to marketing sites, displays creator content automatically, and tracks conversions from advertising campaigns. Adding TikTok video to product pages to show real customer experiences, maintain updated creator portfolios without manually embed updates, or connect forms submissions to TikTok advertising platform for ROI measurement. So basically, when you're integrating TikTok with Webflow, it's not simply about like tracking your ad revenue or your ad performance. It's also about your content will be migrated, your forms, your basically all things that you have in your TikTok account will be up for you, ready for you to be used on your website. So this is something that is pretty cool. Now, how can we actually add it? So there is two methods to add the TikTok. You need the TikTok official embed method, and there is third-party widget services. So what you need to do is to follow one of these. First of all, the TikTok embed method include. So you simply have to go to the official embedding options within your TikTok account, as you can see here, and there you will get every single information about how to do it. So here you will tell you how you can get your API, how you can get your parameters, and basically what you should request as an URL and paste in your code. So this is how, like an example on what the code should look like when you add it to your website and how you can embed it. So this is something very important because this is basically how you are going to track the conversion of the ad that you made or the video that you've made. So this is very important to understand. So make sure to take a look at it and understand it briefly. Once you did that, you can display up to 10 recent video on your site. So you can copy this code 10 times and modify it. And basically you can track up to 10 ads per time. So this is limited, not free for anyone. And once you did that, you can simply just launch it, copy the code, follow these steps. And once you have everything ready to go, you will be able to view all the information on your TikTok Pixel application, and you can analyze them and view them and basically conclude what your next move is going to be. And yeah, that was pretty much it today, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next upcoming video.